Buongiorno, or should I say buonasera. There's my little Italian house right there. We've just arrived and it's cooler, which is lovely. I've got my cashmere scarf on, a jacket. I'm gonna head to the small supermarket right now to try to find some bits for supper because as you get into autumn and obviously winter, the restaurants don't stay open as they do when you're here in the summer. So I don't think there's any restaurants open in the square. I'm gonna go check if there is. I'd rather do that because I'm a bit exhausted from traveling. But if not, you're gonna come to the supermarket with me. This is one restaurant I do like. I don't go to this one very often. It's just off the square, but it's Raccontandina, but that's obviously Chiuso. Let's head into the square and see what else is closed or open. Beautiful piazza, but it looks like Cafe Helvetico, Chiuso. That's my lovely place. Hopefully it'll be open tomorrow so I can get my Americano there. This is what I call the high street, but I'm heading down here and it looks like possibly Il Sogno's open, maybe for supper tonight. Let's check it out. There we go. So this is a possibility. Brilliant. Look at these prices, just amazing. Those are the bells in the background. It is 6:30 or 7? I'm not sure. 6:30. And I'll head to the supermarket, but I don't think I want pasta because that's what I had for lunch today. Ooh, here's where I got my hair cut. Do you remember that one? Oh my God, Sonia was amazing. I thought as I walked to the supermarket, this is my favorite fruit, veg, formaggi place. I mean, it's fantastic. In fact, it's the first supermarket I went to when I first arrived here. I didn't know where to go, and it's excellent. But it looks like he's closing very, very soon. Let's keep walking. All right, this bar coming up, L'Angolo the Cafe, so the corner cafe, has really good aperitivo, like excellent. Like as in, like you get served some good bruschetta, cheese, formaggi, etc. But I'm gonna head down here, and there's also a good pizza place. I think you guys have seen me before. That looks open. So the pizza place is here. Do I get pizza or do I go to the supermarket? I'm just not sure. All right, I'm gonna get some castagna. I don't know what for, but everything here in the Lunigiana is castagna, chestnut. This is what I have so far. I did get some panagacci, il testarolo, some cheese pecorino that looks like easy to sort of melt-ish. I'm gonna roast the melanzane and the zucchini and put it all together in my panagacci. I don't know yet what I'm gonna do with the testarolo. I just liked it. I'm gonna buy it, and it lasts until 2026 March. So no, I'll definitely be back by then. All right, do you see that cheese in there? It's called Certosa. That's actually the cheese that you use for panagacci. I had a lady in front of me, and she had pretty much what I have in my basket, and then I looked at it. Hers was being sliced, and I was like, that is it. So I'm actually gonna keep the pecorino because it's nice to have fresh pecorino. And then there's some pesto there as well. I think I'm ready. I'm busy doing something very exciting on my Julie in Italy website, because if you've been following along, you know that I've been building
my Julie in Italy website using Odoo. And now I've just launched my online shop. It has been such an exciting step, and honestly, way easier than I thought it would be. With Odoo's e-commerce app, you can launch your online store in like no time. There's this clever configurator that takes you through a few simple steps.
And then their AI actually generates the structure of your online shop for you.
All you have to do is add your content using drag and drop blocks. It's completely intuitive. I added my very first products, things like my first downloadable ebook, basically how to move to Italy, and a couple physical finds from those flea markets, that's right, by just typing in the name and the price and then uploading some photos, and that was it. I could customize then each page with descriptions, I could do like layout blocks, even animation if I wanted to. And then I quickly set up the basics. So for me, like VAT or tax, depending on what country you're in, the shipping methods, and then payment providers. And just like that, I was ready to take orders. And the best part, it is completely free to get started. Your first app is free for life, including unlimited hosting and support, plus a free custom domain for a year. And Odoo grows with you, so you can add invoicing, inventory, accounting, whatever you need when you need it. So if you've got something you'd love to share or sell, whether it's handmade or curated or even digital,
Odoo makes it so easy to bring your shop to life. Head to the link in my description and start your e-commerce journey today.
Back to uploading some exciting flea market products.
It is what I like to say, a blueberry sky. Beautiful. We've just had a delicious lunch. We have come to the beach. We have our umbrellas, towels. We're so British. I mean, it is 23 degrees. It's warm, but we are literally the only people on this beach. Well, apart from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 6 other people. And I'm gonna do some writing for my Substack, my Gilded Heiresses Substack. So if you're interested in the Gilded Age and those Gilded Heiresses, do check it out. Description or link down below in the description. I'd love you guys to be along for the journey. And yeah, so let's get writing and breathing in this delicious sea air. This is my halfway point. You can see Verrucola down there, Castello, the castle, and a little bit more uphill. Okay, we can do it. Sorry for the shaky camera, better view, and I'm heading back. Finisano. You can see why I love riding here. There's the castle. I'm nearly through, everybody. Yay! Oh my God, it feels so good. On my way back.
Ok, io voglio a dire che oggi ho imparato un nuovo parola, perché quando tu mi hai mandato un messaggio a WhatsApp, io non capirei il parole ganci.
Gancetti.
Sì, ganci, but it's hook, or hook. Yeah, in inglese, ganci. Ma finalmente dopo ascoltando 3 volte io ho capito. Ciao. Incredibile. Mio marito Luca.
Ciao, buonasera.
Incredibile, perfetto, assolutamente. Sì, incredibile.
E l'altro è dietro.
Incredibile. Questi, un momento, questi will be saranno, grazie, saranno bellissima mia cucina. Cucina, sì, un cucina, sì. Sì.
Come si dice cucina bianca in inglese? Kitchen.
Kitchen. Sì, e anche in inglese gli specchi, specchi, mirrors.
Hai capito?
Sì.
Abbiamo fatto
Mirrors,
attenzione. Allora, adesso Bianca sceglie un bel cuore che lo diamo a Giulia che lo porta a Londra. Dai, scegli un bel cuore. Vai.
Grazie a
Che lo mette sull'albero.
Perfetto.
Gli specchi, the mirrors, are here and literally they just fit. So we've padded them up and yeah, I cannot wait to get these back into the kitchen, but they are just so lovely there and it's a great place for me to practice my Italian, which is fantastico. All right, let's go home. To celebrate the mirrors, not really, but on our way back, look at this fantastic pizza. Burrata, melanzane, basilico, and pomodori. Incredibile. These are the mirrors. I'm so excited. There's a lot of noise going on outside because my neighbor is redoing an entire house and it looks great. These are the mirrors, you guys. They sit on the floor. They are amazing. I love them. Oh my gosh. Okay, make sure the tables are all right. This is looking good. I can see it through the camera. Let's see if you guys can see it. Yes, you can. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited, everybody. I've got the mirrors here. I just think it opens up the space, even though it's already a big space. They have done a fantastic job. These are the lampshades that I brought from a company called Pookie in England. I think the color scheme works great. And then of course these demijohn lamps, I found each of these for about €5 and then ordered something online, like a quick light fixing fixture. Easy. Oh my gosh. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm so happy right now. The only other thing I'm thinking, can I just ask you guys for your opinion, is of course I do like my side tables here, the end tables, but now I'm like, oh, do they work with these mirrors? I think they do. Let me know what you guys think, or should I sort of start to scour other flea markets for maybe different side tables? Anyway, comment down below, let me know. Oh, I'm so excited. We are properly exploring Tuscany. We've just popped off at Castiglione della Pescaia, got it right, for a spot of lunch, but because apparently the seafood here is meant to be amazing. And then we'll have a little tootle around the cobbled streets. We are heading for lunch on the sea, but I'm gonna zoom in here. Look at the extraordinary wall, medieval wall going around the old part of the city. This would have been fun to sit out here, a fish bar, but it's only open. There it says, open on the weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday for lunch and dinner. Venerdì, sabato, alla domenica, a pranzo e cena. But your view is that it's so warm. Look at this, sensational. Possibly, this is a possible spot. Ooh. Here we go, from the marina to the beach and sea. Oh my goodness. So we've just got to figure out where we're going mangiare il pranzo, to eat lunch. We've passed such lovely restaurants, but we're looking for one in particular. I suspect during Agosto, this promenade would be heaving with people. Now, it's just us. We have found our spot. Very exciting. Beautiful day. So warm and lovely. Lots of people here and in the restaurant. And I've decided to get this lobster pasta with fresh tomatoes. Yum. Lobster pasta has arrived. Look at this and the view. So exciting. Welcome back, everybody, to the Pretend Italian Cooking Show. I'm Julie Montague in my kitchen here. Today I'm making something made up. And these are these sort of, they almost look like little pancake crepes. Let's get this open. La stracremosa. Wow, it is cheesy. Doesn't that look delicious? I'm using melanzane eggplant, put some olive oil and salt on it, and these are gonna roast. I bought these castagna. I'm gonna roast them as well. Here's a real close-up of the cheese. Can I just say I tasted it? That's my finger there. It's delicious. Vegetables roasting underneath here, all looking good. It's getting close, everybody. Now I'm going to take the panagacci. I'm just gonna dry fry it in this pan here. Okay. Strange. Here we go. Yes, excellent. Cook it? Oh yeah, no. Needs a lot more time here. It's a bit smoky in here, but it's all working fine. Take some of the cheese, spread it on here. Spread. Wonderful. I'm just gonna do the vegetables. I'm not sure about the castagna. I'm just gonna throw some roasted vegetables on here. I'll add a chestnut. And this is what it looks like. It's hot, definitely it's hot. That's why it's so smoky in here. Okay. This is as good as I remember when I'm in restaurants. That's how I got the right cheese. Makes all the difference. That's it. I'm Julie Montague, the Pretend Italian Cooking Show. Be sure to like, subscribe, turn notifications on, and I'll see you back here at my little Italian house very soon. Ci vediamo a presto.